Hi guys, this is me, and today I'm back with I'm back again from a long time, not doing any videos, but today I'm going to be doing a pack opening, a 4,650 FIFA points pack opening, and Romario is now increased his chance to get in a pack this week, and also there are 2 man of the matches. Oh, I'm sorry if it's bad quality because I'm using my tablet again because the computer with all the editing and all that. So yeah, let's get into the packs, and there's happy hour as well. So we're gonna do the happy hours and then the rest of them. So who are gonna get in the first pack? Close my eyes. Navas! Oh, that is good. Oh, awesome. Alright. I'm gonna keep that. Should I keep it? No, I'm quick sending it so I can get 100k quicker. Alright, next pack. Close my eyes again because last time I got Navas when I did that. And I'll skip it again because that's what I did. And I got Bender and Matic. I'd prefer Matic more than Bender. So I'll keep Matic and sell the rest. Oh wow, why is the TV gonna turn off? I need to quickly get that. That's it. It's done. Alright. Next one. 300 again. This time I'm just gonna turn around this time and skip it. Defoe! Oh, transfer Defoe. That is, I don't know. I'm gonna have a check. See what, oh, well, I won't have a check. Oh, and I might as well do, like a squad. I'll put the players in my, actually I'm gonna keep the players then because I might put him in my squad. But I might do like I did the last time when I did a pack squad thing. So, well, I'm going to actually write down some of the players I get. So, I'll just be back in a second. Alright guys, so I'm back. And I just went and put a few players down. I didn't put all of them just because I probably won't use all of them. But from now on, I'm not going to quick sell anymore. I'm going to actually keep them. So into the next pack again, I'm going to turn around like last time. No, I'm going to do something different. Oh, I can't be bothered. Just skip it. Coup. Should I keep him? Yeah, I am. I'm going to keep him. Alright, I'm back. Alright, who else? If we got Sinclair, Cisse, and Lallana, alright. I'm going to keep them too. Alright, I'm back again. Just did the thing again, so every time I stop it, then I'll be like, writing it down. I'll be writing the players down. This time I'm just going to watch it and skip it. And do we need any of these? Dion. Oh, we'll keep him. Oh, and alright, I'm going to keep them as well. So, alright, on to the next one. Next, I'm going to turn around again. Right, so let's see who I get. Come on. And I get some good people maybe? Oh, it's quite rubbish, but the only thing is I can actually put them in my team. So, I'll just do that again. No, wait. So we got Brun, all rubbish. Pabon I'll keep. And I'll keep Matry. Oh, and duplicate Pedro, I'll keep him as well. Alright, next pack. Oh, I'm nearly at 100k now. Alright, please, can I get your player? I'm just gonna cover my eyes. Oh, wow. Alright, I'm just gonna cover my eyes, see what I get. Come on. What Santa Cruz is rubbish. And I'm just gonna keep Pjanic. Oh, wait, I didn't even get. Oh, well, I don't care. So I'll put him down. Then I'll say I'll keep goodbye too. Right, I'm back. Let's go. Please. Oh wow, I'm not 100k yet. Oh wait, so I haven't been doing videos in a while because I've just been like doing other things and I haven't had time. So yeah. We get in this pack. We get I'll keep Stecklenburg and maybe on there. And not Stuart, just for I love one. So keep Stecklenburg on Rian. Right. Let's just check. Oh wow, I don't want to quick. Oh, actually, I do want to quick stun it. I'll keep that. Oh, I don't care about these guys. Oh no, Testagen actually wanted him. Oh, who cares? Let's just go to the next one. Oh wow, I still have 2 left. It feels like I've done loads of them now. Just skip that. Canny. Or Heitinger. I'm gonna get Heitinger instead, and that's it from there. And then Podolski. Right, quick sell. Oh no, I'm not even keeping any of these players. Well, I need to keep the next one because I'm just skipping them all. Alright, last one of these. Pele. I can't be bothered to keep Nacho. He can go. I don't even know if he sells for a lot of coins, so I don't need him. No, I don't need him. Pace. I'll keep that. Oh, I do need Diego Alves and maybe him as well. No. So I can't be bothered. I'll just put them on the transfer list because I can't be bothered to stop it. Alright, next pack. Now in the normal 7.5 K packs. All the players I got were rares. Alright. Let's just put them all on the transfer list now. PSV home, I'll just keep that. Quick sell Rex. Next pack, who are we gonna get? And this one, wait, if I'm a bit quiet then I'll speak a bit louder. Oh, that was rubbish. I won't put any in the team for that. Next, we're gonna get. This time I'll close my eyes again. I'll close my eyes. Come on, please. Can we get a player? Azuris and Petropia. I'll keep him. That's it. Right, transfer list. What I'll do is I will. So we got them lot already there, and then so from here. From Barzagli. No, except for Bender. Alright. Alright, come on, next pack. again, come on, we can do good things. Oh, no, Tim Cahill's going to do rubbish for me. Why? I'm not going to speak for a while, just be like... You're just going to be watching, like, the game for a bit and then I'll be back, alright. Alright, last pack. Let's go. Who are we gonna get? Alaba on the front. I'm not gonna skip this. And I'm gonna go out the room and see who I get. Oh, wow. I just got this rubbish pack. Oh wow, that was rubbish. Alright, so that was the pack opening. It was a bit boring and more exciting at the start, but the game's gonna be boring and the games will be fun. But yeah, I'm just gonna make the teams now and then I'll be back and then I'll show you quickly. See you, bye. Alright, hi guys, I'm back. I've made my team now. Just made a few changes now. I will get some stuff to change their positions. I got it for 94 chemistry. And I did have to put this other guy in, which I did get from a pack though, but not in this exact pack opening, but just so I could get my chemistry better. But I kept everyone else. So yeah, this is my team, my subs, all that. Oh, and one other change is that I changed the foe from Toronto onto Tottenham so I could get my chemistry better as well. And one last final thing is that I'm probably going to be doing something where at first I'm going to be just playing with this team for a few episodes. Then I'll go on to getting a 50k upgrade or something like that. And then after maybe 100k or maybe 25k first, then 50k, like that. And I'll do a few episodes on that upgrade video, and then the next upgrade video and all that. And then I'll be actually buying players. But yeah, except for that, that's it for today, guys. And I'll see you all next time. So yeah, bye.